Have you ever wondered why the same pattern keep on showing up in our life, whether it's relationship, money, job, career, finance, anything? And it's not random and it's not bad luck as well. It's the mirror principle in action. And once you understand this, you can start shifting your life from inside out. This is one of the biggest secret of manifestation. Hello everyone, I'm Pranka. Welcome back to my channel, The Life Baker. And today we are going to discuss the biggest secret of manifestation, which is the mirror technique or the mirror principle, and how it works and how you can actually implement this in your life. So what does mirror principle say? Mirror principle says that your outer world is the reflection of your inner world. So whatever you think, feel, believe internally will show up in the people you meet, in the circumstances you face, basically in the life you are living in. तो आप जो अंदर सोच रहे हो वो ही आपको दिखेगा बाहर. So if you believe that you're not good enough, then the people you meet will reflect that back to you. But if you feel that you are powerful, you are abundant, you deserve all the success and achievements in your life, then the universe will mirror that energy to you. You're gonna meet such people who will help you achieve your dreams. You're gonna get such opportunities which will help you to achieve your dream faster. So basically, your life is a giant mirror that is showing you where your vibration is, that is showing you where your energy is, that is showing you कि आप क्या सोच रहे हो खुद के बारे में. तो internally हमें अपना energy को shift करना है if you want your outer world to be beautiful. So let's dig into how to use this mirror principle in your manifestation journey. So the first step is mirror work. Literally, you need to look into the mirror, straight into your eyes, and say good affirmations that you deserve, right? That I love you, I'm worthy of abundance, I am grateful for my life, I deserve to be successful in everything that you are affirming about, right? When you speak this straight into your eyes, you might feel, what am I doing? But that's where the healing starts. First, you need to believe in yourself, whatever you are expecting from the outer world. Then the next step is observe your triggers. When are you getting those triggers? When are you getting those stress, पैनिक अटैक्स, या कब आप अपसेट हो रहे हो? ये चीज आप नोटिस करो, ऑब्जर्व करो, एंड आस्क योरसेल्फ, व्हाट इज दिस टीचिंग यू? व्हाट इज दिस ट्राइंग टू से यू अबाउट योरसेल्फ? You know, life reflects not just what we love, but also what we need to heal. ठीक है? तो कुछ कुछ circumstances में life आपको अपने आप वो सब situations में लाएगी जहाँ आपको reflect करना है खुद के अंदर, कहाँ आपको heal चाहिए, where you need to work upon. तो mirror principle is what? हर situation में आपको ये सोचना है कि ये आपके साथ क्यों हुआ, आपका वाइब्रेशन कहाँ जा रहा है, एंड देन स्टार्ट वर्किंग टुवर्ड्स इट. इंटरनली आपको शिफ्ट करना है अपने एनर्जी को ताकि आउटर वर्ल्ड में वो ही चीज रिफ्लेक्ट करे. देन द थर्ड स्टेप इज फील द फीलिंग फर्स्ट. आपको जैसा फील करना है उसको पहले ही फील कर लो. डोंट वेट फॉर द मैनिफेस्टेशन जर्नी टू कंप्लीट. सो फर्स्ट, सपोज यू वांट टू बी हैप्पी, राइट? सो स्टार्ट फीलिंग हैप्पी फर्स्ट in your own place. Then you'll see that life, the mirror of life, will start reflecting those circumstances to you जहाँ आपको खुशी मिले, जहाँ आप खुश हो जाओ, जहाँ आप happy हो जाओ. So suppose, let me explain you this with an example. Suppose you're a person who feels that nobody cares about you. कोई आपका ध्यान नहीं रखता, कोई care नहीं करता. Okay? Now, this is a situation which life is showing it to you. Now you need to reflect and ask yourself inward. It is an invitation from life to think, where am I in this life not giving love and care or attention that you desire. आपको जो लव और केयर चाहिए वो कहीं आप खुद को दे रहे हो या नहीं दे रहे हो, ये आपको सोचना है. क्योंकि इफ यू आर नॉट गिविंग दैट लव एंड अटेंशन टू योरसेल्फ, देन द आउटसाइड वर्ल्ड विल नॉट गिव इट बैक टू यू. ओके, सो इन दिस सिचुएशन यू नीड टू रिफ्लेक्ट इनसाइड कि एम आई इमोशनली अवेलेबल टू माई सेल्फ? Are you taking care of your needs? Are you prioritizing your emotional well-being or not? ये आपको सोचना है फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ठीक है. सेकेंड, आप ये सोचो कि डू यू बिलीव दैट यू आर वर्दी ऑफ दिस केयर एंड लव, या आपको एक सेल्फ डाउट है कि नो, आई एम लाइक दिस इसलिए पीपल डोंट लाइक मी. तो सबसे पहले तो अपना सेल्फ डाउट को, अपने फियर को हटाना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज यू नीड टू बिलीव दैट यू आर वर्दी ऑफ दिस लव एंड केयर. So when you reflect such things, such questions, then don't think that you are blaming yourself. Yeah, this principle is about blaming yourself. It's about telling that it is your fault. No, it's not. It's just about reclaiming that power, that you have the power to shift the energy. You have the power to create your own life, because once you start doing this for yourself, your outer world starts reflecting जैसे आपको life चाहिए. So when you begin, loving yourself, nurturing yourself, or taking care of yourself, you will see that the outer world around you shift that energy into circumstances जहाँ आपको love, care, attention सब मिलेगा. So this was just an example. So basically in your life, whenever you feel something is going out of control, or something is upsetting you, just pause and ask yourself, what is this reflecting about me, about myself? कहाँ मेरा वाइब्रेशन है, ये आपको सोचना है, अपने आप को पूछना है, and then start shifting that energy. So remember, when you shift the mirror, you shift the reflection. You are the creator of your own life. Your inner world is the script and your outer world is the screen. तो जैसा आपको देखना है अपनी लाइफ को, वैसे ही चेंजेस अपने अंदर लेके आओ, शिफ्ट करो, and then see magic happening around you. So comment below, what are you going to shift today from inside, and see magic things happening all around you. So if you like this video, please do share and subscribe to my channel, The Light Maker, and thank you for watching this video.